Earth, a unique planet. Earth is believed to be about 4.5 billion years old. It is believed that the first organisms that lived on Earth were unicellular. The first living organism appeared on Earth at about 3.5 billion years ago. The earliest fish, insects, amphibians, and forests appeared about 500 million years ago. Dinosaurs appeared about 200 million years ago. Modern human beings appeared about 2 million years ago. The entire process of evolution of life on Earth took millions of years. Since its beginnings, the Earth has been a unique planet. It is the only planet in our solar system that supports life. What makes Earth a unique planet? Let's find out. Major factors which make Earth unique are presence of water, air, food, and warmth. Click on each to learn how these factors support life. Earth is the only planet on which water is available in liquid form. 70% of its surface area is covered with water. You must have seen that soon after the first rain, the land turns green with new plants. The seeds which remain buried in the soil germinate when they get rainwater. This shows that seeds need water to germinate. Water is essential for life to exist on Earth. Earth is the only planet with an atmosphere containing oxygen. The upper atmosphere has a protective layer of ozone which absorbs the harmful rays of the sun. Now, let's perform an experiment. Take 2 petri dishes labeled A and B. Place 2 bean seeds on a piece of wet cotton wool in the petri dish A as shown here. Now, place 2 bean seeds in petri dish B filled with water. What do you observe after a few days? Seedlings grow on the wet piece of cotton in petri dish A, but do not grow in petri dish B in which the seeds were immersed in water. The bean seeds in petri dish B also received water, but did not germinate. Why? Did the seeds in both the petri dishes receive sufficient air? The seeds left in water did not receive air. So, they did not germinate. Air is essential for germination. For life to exist, food is essential. Plants prepare food using water and mineral salts from the soil, carbon dioxide from the air, and sunlight. The materials necessary for plants to make food are present on the earth. The earth is just at the right distance from the sun for it to have the right temperature for life to exist. The average temperature on the earth is 14 degrees Celsius, which is suitable for living things. If the earth had been closer to the sun, like Mercury or Venus, it would have been too hot for life to survive. If it had been far off, like Jupiter or Saturn, it would have been too cold. Let's prove this with an experiment. Take 2 plates of equal size and label them as A and B. Place wet cotton wool in both the plates. Sow some mustard seeds in both. Now, place the plate labeled B in the refrigerator and the other labeled A at a place where there is enough sunlight. Don't forget to wet the cotton wool once in 2 days. Leave this arrangement undisturbed for a week. After a week, what do you observe? The seeds kept near the window have germinated, whereas the seeds kept in the refrigerator have not. Click on the button Y to know the reason. The seeds kept near the window germinated because it received water, air, and warmth, whereas the one inside the refrigerator did not germinate as there was no warmth. Think it over.